How to make Uber Eats delivery account in UK. First open a browser and then here search for Uber Eats cycling. Now go to the first link. Now click on sign up to deliver. Now here enter your email address or you can continue with Google. Now click on continue. Now on the bottom here you will see send code by SMS or login with email, so you can choose any of them. Now you need to verify your email. Now where you would like to earn, here enter your location. After that on the bottom right corner click on next. Now choose how you want to earn with Uber. So first of all your age should be 80 plus and then you have to have a license. So deliver with Uber Eats by bicycle. So you can deliver with bicycle, you can deliver with motorbike, and you can deliver by car. So choose your transport, click on continue. Now you need to follow the legal information, email, given name, family name and middle name, and you need bank statement and ID document like passport, identity card and etc. So just click on I agree, acknowledge, and then click on I accept, continue. Now you need to verify your identity, you need to upload your bank statement and other details. After that your account will be complete. So that's how you can make Uber Eats delivery account in UK. Hope that this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.